Megan going to slide down my bed that we just had to change the sheets
There
on.
is her barrier.
We're going to see how well this works.
Yep.
Hold on. This is what people do during exam week here at Campbell.
This is called...
Instead of wasting brain cells, we're going to have somebody risk their life.
This is called mattress slide.
Woo-woo!
You grab it?
Yeah.
I think the barrier went very nicely. Let's get some commentary by the person who did it. So, Megan, how was it?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Here's the bed afterward.
All of our hard work with this sheet.